welcome back to another video with Legit Colleen, and today I'm going to be trying to make whipped shea butter. So right now I'm just putting this on the stove using the double boiler method and then putting it in the fridge for 2 hours. And for some reason this was just not focusing. I don't know, because shea butter or what, but it was not focusing. But this was like about a half hour in, and now this is after 2 hours. So now I'm gonna start whipping it up. That's how it looks like basically. So now it's just putting the mixing sticks in the machine, and I was about to start whipping up the shea butter, but for some reason that I figured on later on that was because it was too hard. It was not doing anything, and like it was just like making holes in the shea butter and just like barely doing anything to it. So I had to reheat it on the stove for about a minute and a half on high, and then put it back in the fridge for 15 minutes, which you will see here. So after it had been in the fridge for 15 minutes, I started to mix it with the mixing machine, and then it was going well, and I just started to push the edges so it would mix basically. Gonna add in some avocado oil. Yeah. That's some of that. This one I have as a dropper, so I'm not measuring any of these. I'm just like eyeballing it. And then my rose hip oil. This is shea butter, like straight out of the motherland from Ghana. So this ain't no fake shea butter, and I didn't buy it online. But if you want to get it, you can buy it online from Amazon. You get unrefined butters, adding in other butters. Butters. Yeah. So I have the real one here, and you're gonna see how thick this one is and how solidified this is. This is like really like. Soft but hard, like soft but hard. So now y'all see the consistency is way better, and it's not solid anything. It's very fluffy. Like I could just like use this on the cake. That's how smooth it is. So I'm just gonna show you all. So this is. And it wasn't sticking to the sides. You see how easy and clean it is now? Like it cleans the sides, clean up so nicely. That's how you like really know. I think that's gonna be like my one tip to know that it's like ready. Because like it cleaning this beautiful. Because like, you know, like I'm not like wasting product. Like that's the one thing that hurts my heart the most when you got something, and like because it's touching so many stuff, you're just like losing it. So, and this is like, as I said, real shea butter, and like you want to keep that, you want to cherish it. Now we're just gonna scoop all that in the Ziploc bag. So basically I emptied it out of here, and like I really took my time to scoop all of that with my spatula, and I put it into a Ziploc. It was really messy, so I didn't have time to record and all that, but this is what it looks like. It's super soft, like bro, it's super soft. Like yo, this is really good. So I just want to make sure it's like all the way down. I'm gonna put it in here because this is pretty like long. So after I had put that all in the Ziploc bag, I cut a corner off, and I was gonna be basically pushing it out into the container, which I seen a lot of videos, and like I was using this big container, so it was kind of like dumb to say like to actually do that now that I think about it, because I was making no type of design. So I decided to use my spatula and just push it in there, because like there was no reason for doing that. So like if you're doing this in a mason jar and you want it to be pretty and of course decorate the top, you can do that, but for me there was like no need, so just putting it out there. As you can see, the shea butter melted like into the bag, which is a really good sign. gonna try this on for you guys. So I'm gonna wash my hands and then come and try it on. That's it. It looks messy, I know, but the results is what matters of how it's gonna be beautiful. So I have my hands. I got my hands and I'm gonna try it on. So this is the before. I got a scar over there, but well, I hurt myself. I'm gonna take some of this because I don't want to waste it. And I'm gonna apply it to my hands. Make sure you guys can see how.
Yeah, get into it.
Moisturizing that looks how it just like melts into your skin. Like, I put a lot, that's why it looks super oily. I didn't have to like, but I ain't got a rubber or anything.
Really?
Well, I am rubbing it, but like I ain't
Moisturizing as
you
well.
can see. Like, see how I look oiled out because like I put a lot, but if you put a little goes a long way. As you can see, a little goes a long way. It smells really good. It smells like shea butter, obviously, but I didn't add fragrances. I like the smell of shea butter. Some people might like not like it, but like I've been like using this since I was a kid. I'm familiar with it. I'm used to it. So that is all, guys. If you want a tutorial, please let me know. Let me know. You're probably like, why should we ask for a tutorial if you just did it? But like you see, it was my first time, so like I wasn't really like doing it. But you guys were just experiencing with me. So if you want step by step, you guys should tell me because I definitely have learned from my mistakes, my many mistakes. But yeah, so